I came to know about this organization through newspaper. I have never met Ravi, so I came to know it through a newspaper, and then I visited that place, Apnagar, because the concept of picking up children from the railway platforms and stations and bringing them into mainstream line of the life, that appealed to me very much.
So what are the things that they get, the sicknesses they get from living the hard life they live?
One thing is skin infections, that's very common. Sores, cuts, injuries. These are the things which are basically common, and recently they have contracted scabies infection. They chew tobacco, they inhale whitener. These are the things. Smack, I think they don't have. And you can say that I act as a liaison for the doctors. Because I am involved with them. So if it's a problem with the medicine, I take it up. If it's problem, say pediatrician is to be called for, so I request my pediatrician friend to help them out, not to charge, and they help. If there is some surgical problem, I refer it to my surgical friends, surgeon friends. They help it. Regarding medicines, if I've got physician samples, I provide it. If not, then I request him to purchase it. That is the way I help him. For me, it is a part of my life. Something you have to repay the society also, whatever you are getting from them. I am earning from them, I am getting my livelihood from the society. So it's my duty to, in some way or the other, to repay and do the charity.
I was introduced to Ravi by Mr. Vijay Kumar, who was a Deputy Inspector General of Police in Gorakhpur. He brought us together, and I started to get interested in his work. All that we do is take whatever medical care is required, we try to take care of that. And I try to give as much as possible. Because we don't have health insurance in India, no social security, nothing. So whatever you have to do out of your own resources.
I've even seen a few of their mothers who have had any
who have some problems, or who come over for their children, and she takes care of them. And when the children, sometimes they're admitted or sometimes I am not there, then she'll look after. She also knows how to handle flu or a respiratory tract infection or something like that, which is mostly the case. Or a child will injure himself and he'll have to be bandaged or stitched up.
And you do all this for free?
Yes, we do it.
And
It's a very small thing compared to the work Ravi is doing.
The children who are under Ravi, they come from different social strata, from different castes, from different creeds. But it's a very big task to motivate them to be together, to believe in the unit of one family. So if you could motivate those children to such an extent that his house is considered by them as their home, I think it's a very big thing.